Hey guys, my name is Marcus. This is going to be a really quick video, the Ctrader with comparing to Tradelocker and what are the things that you need to know about both. So the Ctrader got modern and highly customizable interface, intuitive design, and good charting tools and drag and drop features and clean layout. Same thing with the Tradelocker. If you want to use it, you can have simplistic and minimalistic design, focuses on functionality for trading firms rather than retail traders. Easy to navigate but less advanced than Ctrader. So with the Ctrader, you can have over built-in 50 indicators and 26 time frames, supports Renko, Heikin Ashi, and other advanced chart types. On the other hand, with the Tradelocker, you can have basic charting tools with fewer built-in indicators and limited customization. So it's better for execution than in-depth analysis. So this is another thing. So the order execution with the Ctrader ECN, and then you can have the stop limit, server-side trailing stops, and depth of market. Tradelocker designed for trading programs and broker-controlled environments. Simple execution with limited advanced order types comparing to the Ctrader. So this is another thing that you have to be aware of. So with the algorithmic trading for Ctrader, supports Calgo allowing algorithmic trading using C. With the Tradelocker, no significant support for algorithmic trading or advanced APIs. And then you can have supported brokers with the Ctrader, widely adopted by ECN STP brokers, and Tradelocker used by trading firms. And the Tradelocker got simple mobile and web version, and it's much better for Ctrader. So that's pretty much it for both, what you have to be aware of. And I just want to make this like quick video, just information for you. So have a great day and goodbye.